Sugiarto.
Present, Miss.
Nur Aziza.
Present, Miss.
Ida Rohatul Muhammad.
Present, Miss.
Okay, and all. Yesterday we will learn about descriptive text. Yeah, descriptive text. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to understand and create simple descriptive text about people, place, and things. Okay, before that, can you tell me one thing you learned from our last meeting? Yeah?
We learn about greetings and introduction, Miss.
Okay, we learn about greetings and introduction. Okay, that's right. Can anyone tell me more about it?
Hi, Miss. We can say hello, good morning, good afternoon, with greeting someone.
Someone, greeting someone. Jadi untuk menyapa kita bisa menggunakan kata hello, good morning, good afternoon kepada seseorang. Ya. Okay. Anyone tell me about introduction?
Hi, Miss.
Yes.
When introducing ourselves, I usually refer name, home, hobbies, and so on to introduce to other people.
Okay, yes, good job. Nah, jadi kalau untuk perkenalan kita biasanya menyebutkan nama, tempat tinggal, home ya, dan hobi dan masih banyak lainnya. Ya, okay. So now you understand the material on greetings and introductions. Okay, what is your favorite place to visit? Why do you like it? Jadi apa tempat kesukaan kalian? Kenapa kalian menyukai tempat itu? Ada yang misalnya menyebutkan,
Hi, Miss. I really like mountains because on the mountain I can feel the coolness and beauty of green.
okay, Utami like the mountain because coolness and beauty of green nature. Ya, karena di gunung itu hawanya sejuk memang ya. Jadi bisa untuk merefresh pikiran kita setelah mungkin belajar seminggu kayak gitu sudah penat banget. Juga mendaki itu kan termasuk hobi ya. Nah, memang hobi.
Yeah.
Baik. Ya, oke. There are more? Ada
Hi,
lagi?
Miss. I was shopping at the mall. Yes.
Shopping.
But you are right. And shopping is one of my hobbies, Miss.
Okay. Your hobbies is shopping.
Yeah.
Shopping at the mall. Okay. Well, it sounds like everyone also like going to the mall. Jadi sepertinya semuanya suka ya pergi ke mall ya. Karena kalau wanita-wanita itu memang sukanya itu berbelanja. Ya. Oke. Next. Descriptive text. Descriptive text. Let's discuss. Okay, learning objective. Learning objective itu adalah tujuan pembelajaran kita. Tujuan pembelajaran kita adalah we will learn about descriptive text. You will be able to understand and create simple descriptive text about people, place, and animals. Ya, kita akan belajar tentang teks deskripsi. Harapannya kalian dapat memahami dan membuat teks deskripsi sederhana tentang orang, tempat, dan benda. Okay, next. Understanding descriptive text. Understanding itu pengertian dari teks deskripsi. Descriptive text is that describe an object, place, or event in detail, so that the reader feels as if they are experiencing what is being described directly. Jadi deskripsi adalah teks yang menggambarkan suatu objek, tempat maupun peristiwa secara detail, rinci, sehingga pembaca seolah-olah merasakan langsung apa yang digambarkan. Jadi pembacanya atau pendengarnya itu akan berusaha untuk seperti ini menggambarkan, bisa ya merasakan apa yang sedang dideskripsikan, diceritakan, dijelaskan. Okay, next, general characteristic description text. General karakteristik adalah ciri-ciri umum deskripsi, teks deskripsi. The main characteristic of descriptive text are the use of words that are sensory, the selection of concrete details, and the arrangement of paragraphs that support a clear description of the object. Jadi, ciri utamanya adalah menggunakan kata-kata yang bersifat panca indera. Panca indera itu apa? Apa aja? Penglihatan, pendengaran, dan perasaan. Nah, jadi yang berkaitan dengan kata-kata panca indera. Pemilihan detail yang konkret serta penataan paragraf yang mendukung gambaran objek secara jelas. Jadi juga kata-katanya secara detail, secara rinci. Itu adalah karakteristik ciri-cirinya. Selanjutnya, example of descriptive text. Contohnya ini adalah about Kuta Beach, tentang pantai Kuta. Kuta Beach is incredible, beautiful, and pictures you with its stretch of soft white sand and crystal clear blue water. Many visitors swim and play in the sun there. Jadi pantai Kuta itu pantai yang sangat indah, bagus sekali dengan hamparan pasir putih yang lembut dan air laut yang berwarna biru seni. Jadi banyak pengunjung yang berenang dan bermain pasir di sana. Ada yang sudah pernah ke Bali? Belum. Nih, sudah. Sudah pernah ke pantai Kuta? Ya, pasirnya putih ya, bersih gitu ya. Oke, next. Quiz time. Artinya quiz. Question 1. What is the main purpose of descriptive text? Apa tujuan utama tes deskripsi? Anyone sure? Ada yang bisa jawab? Ayo. Oke. C. Clarify information in detail. Memperjelas informasi secara detail. Apakah benar? Is that true or false? Oke. Let's go. Yeah. Ciri utama tes deskripsi tadi kan sudah barusan dijelaskan. Nah, itu ada A, B, C, D. Any answer? B. Object in detail. Okay, describe object in detail. Okay, let's go to the answer. Yeah, you are. Answer actually. Okay. Does anyone have any question about descriptive text? Ada yang tahu? Ada yang mau bertanya tentang descriptive text? Ada yang mau bertanya? Is descriptive text only used to describe place? Ya. Oke, pertanyaan tadi, apakah teks deskripsi itu menjelaskan tentang tempat aja? Karena tadi kan pertanyaannya tentang tempat ya. Pantai Kuta itu termasuk tempat. Nah, jadi jawabannya adalah no. No, not only descriptive text is not only used to describe place. It can also be used to describe people, animals, objects, and events. The purpose is to create a vividly picture in the reader's mind. Nah, jadi teks deskripsi itu tidak hanya menjelaskan tentang tempat aja, bisa orang, animal, hewan, objek, benda atau event, peristiwa. Nah, untuk apa? Untuk menggambarkan, untuk menciptakan gambaran yang jelas. Oke, are you understand?
Yes. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay, can you think of an example of descriptive text that describes something other than place? Ada yang bisa memberikan contoh selain mendeskripsikan tempat?
Yes, I miss. I can describe my favorite animal. I can describe its fur, eyes, and behavior.
Okay. Describe your favorite animal is cat. Okay. Kesukaan dari Aziza itu hewannya adalah kucing. Iya, exactly. Descriptive text can be used to describe any subject that can be observed or imagined. Well done. Jadi teks deskripsi dapat digunakan untuk menggambarkan subjek apapun yang dapat diamati atau dibayangkan. Okay, let's make a descriptive text about our favorite animal and share it with the class. Tugasnya adalah kalian sekarang membuat teks deskripsi tentang animal. Tentang apa? Hewan. Jadi nanti kalau sudah ready, kalian bisa maju ke kelas. Any question?
I want to ask Miss, is this an individual assignment, Miss?
Yes, you can start looking for something that you will describe. This is assignment individual. Jadi ini adalah tugas individu. Ya, then when you are ready, come to the front of the class. Are you understand?
Yes.
Silakan membaca. Is anyone ready?
I miss.
Okay, Asti.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
She had a fun smile and sparkling eyes. Her silver hair was always natural, and her voice was soft and gentle.
Okay, thank you. Asti describe about grandmother. Okay, good job. Is anyone else ready? Ada lagi yang sudah siap?
I miss.
Okay, Aziza.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I will describe about my favorite blanket. My favorite blanket is food as cozy. It's made of glass material that feels like a warm hug. The blanket has a soft, fuzzy texture that makes me feel calm and relaxed.
Okay, done? Okay, give applause. Okay, this Aziza describe your favorite blanket. Ya, oke. Jadi Asti menjelaskan mereknya. Kalau Aziza, blanket itu termasuk things ya, benda. Kalau Asti people. Nah, itu sudah berbeda dari yang pertama tadi. Contohnya adalah tempat. Oke. Jadi itulah yang dinamakan tes deskripsi. Sudah mulai paham ya? Oke. Let's play again. Call, describe and guess. Describe, menjelaskan dan menebak. Ya. One student describe a picture. Nah, picture-nya nanti disediakan sama Rima. Picture and the others have to guess what it is. Oke, jadi satu teman nanti berpasangan. Satu teman menebak, satu teman yang lainnya menjelaskan. Oke, please find one friend to be your partner and decide who will guess the picture. Are you ready? Ready. Kalian bisa berpasangan, kalian boleh dengan teman sebangku atau with other friends. Dengan teman yang lainnya, boleh? Teman? Oke, let's start. Please first. Siapa yang pertama?
We are Miss.
Ya, oke. Oke, let's go. What is describe and guess. Describe. Describe. Okay. Okay, look at that, friends. Okay. Okay, done. That is done. Okay.
This is animal that has a long neck. Its coat is color brown. And long legs. It lives in savanna and can run very fast.
Very fast. Run very fast.
Zebra? No. It's false. It's tiger? No. It's giraffe? Yeah, that's right. No, it's my turn.
Okay, yeah. Okay, give applause. Okay. Okay, next it. Next. Tidak. Okay, dah. That's good.
Okay, these are fruits. It's yellow, toffee, and has a thick peel.
Yellow is fruit.
Fruit.
What is it?
Oh, banana.
Banana? Are you sure?
Yes, that's right.
That's
It's
right.
very easy.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Very easy. Yeah. Okay, that is exciting. Okay, so now you can describe things like place, animals, fruit, and so on. Jadi kalian sudah berusaha sekarang sudah bisa menjelaskan, mendeskripsikan tentang hewan, people, seseorang, buah dan lain sebagainya. Oke, that's enough learning today. If you have any question sebelum hari ini sudah diakhiri, apakah ada pertanyaan?
No.
If you have any question, please ask directly. Jadi boleh ditanyakan apakah ada pertanyaan atau tidak.
No.
Are you sure? Not question.
Yeah.
Okay. If you no question, okay. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum.